Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss about numerical integration. First, we discuss about what is an integration. See here, in xy plane, this is a curve of a function f of x in between the limits a and b. Here, the area under a function, under a curve is called an integration. The area under a curve is called integration. Here we can find out the area under a curve of the function f of x in between the limits a and b. So for that there are three rules. Those are trapezoidal rule, Simpson's 1/3 rule, Simpson's 3/8 rule. By using these three rules, we can find out the integral value of the given function between the limits a and b. Consider I is equal to integral a to b f of x dx. Let y is equal to f of x. That means the function f of x is represented by small y. Then I is equal to integral a to b y dx. So first we can find out how to find out the integral value of the function f of x in between the limits by using trapezoidal rule. Let the range b minus a be divided into n equal parts, each of which is of width h is equal to b minus a by n. That means, see here, the limits a and b can be divided into equidistant parts. That means the distance between two lines that is represented by small h, it is called a strip, and the distance is a plus h and so on, a plus h, a plus 2h and so on, a plus nh. That means here we can find out the strip value, that is h is equal to b minus a by n. See here, let x0 is equal to a, x1 is equal to a plus h, x2 is equal to a plus 2h and so on, xn is equal to a plus nh is equal to b. That means a is the initial value and b is the last value. So x0 is equal to a. See here, x0, x1, x2 and so on, x3 and so on are all xn or the x values. Correspondingly, y is equal to f of x, that is a function. So y0, y1, y2 and so on, yn are all the corresponding values of the function. Okay. And next, trapezoidal rule. This is the formula. I is equal to h by 2 y0 plus yn plus 2 into y1 plus y2 plus and so on yn minus 1, excluding yn. y0 plus yn, first initial value and the last value, plus 2 into y1 plus y2 plus and so on yn minus 1. This is the formula to find out the integral value of the given function in between the limits by using trapezoidal rule. Here also we know that h is equal to b minus a by n. And next, second one, Simpson's 1/3 rule. This is the formula. I is equal to h by 3 y0 plus yn plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus and so on yn minus 1 plus 2 into y2 plus y4 plus yn minus 2. See here, h by 3. That means the strip can be divided into three parts. The first value and the last value, plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus yn minus 1. Here odd number of values are selected. Plus 2 into y2 plus y4 plus yn minus 2. That means here even number of values are selected. So that is the Simpson's 1/3 rule. And next, Simpson's 3 by 8 rule. That means 3/8 rule. I is equal to 3h by 8 into y0 plus yn plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 plus and so on yn minus 1 plus 2 into y3 plus y6 plus and so on yn minus 3. See here, y0 plus yn are the common. That means first value plus last value plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 plus and so on yn minus 1. Because here 2 into y3 plus y6 plus and so on, these are the third multiples. So clear? So that is the formula to find out the integral value of the given function in between the limits by using Simpson's 3/8 rule. Clear? So this is the problem. Calculate by trapezoidal rule an approx value of integral minus 3 to 3 x power 4 dx by taking 7 equidistant ordinates. So given function is here. This is the solution. Given function is integral a to b y dx. This is the function. Integral value is the limits are minus 3 to 3 x power 4 dx. That means a value is minus 3, b value is 3. The function is x power 4. Here the range of integration minus 3, 3 is subdivided into 6 equal parts by 7 equidistant ordinates. So here the limit minus 3 and 3 is subdivided into 6 equal parts. Subdivided into 6 equal parts means, that means by 7 equidistant ordinates. Minus 3 to 3, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are all 7 numbers, 7 equidistant ordinates. So 6 equal parts. 6 equal parts means minus 3 to minus 1, minus 2, minus 2 to minus 1, minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are 6 equal parts by 7 equidistant ordinates. Clear? So here we can find out the value of h. H is equal to b minus a by n is the formula. So here b value is 3 and a value is minus 3. So 3 minus of minus 3 by 6. 6 by 6 value is 1. Therefore h value 1. See here, now x values are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 because of 6 equal parts. So those are x values right here. Y is equal to x power 4 is the given function. So we can find out the values of y0, y1, y3, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. So here put x is equal to minus 3 in the given function. Minus 3 whole power 4. The function gives the value 81. And next put x is equal to minus 2 in the function. Then minus 2 whole power 4 is equal to 16. And next put x is equal to minus 1 in the given function. The function gives the value is 1. And next 0. Next 1, 2, 3. Finally put x value. Put x is equal to 3 in the given function. 3 power 4. Then the function gives the value 81. So these are all y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. And next we can find out the integral value of the given function by trapezoidal rule. So this is a formula, already we know that integral a to b y dx is equal to h by 2 y0 plus yn plus 2 into y1 plus y2 plus and so on yn minus 1. First value and last value plus 2 into y1 plus y2 plus and so on yn minus 1, that means excluding yn. Okay, h by 2 plus y0 plus y6. So y0 plus y6 first value and the last value plus 2 into y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5, that means 16 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 16. So see here 81 plus 81 is the first value and last values plus 2 into 16 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 16. So this is the final value 115. So this is the answer of the given function by using trapezoidal rule. And next Simpson's 1/3 rule. So this is the formula. Integral a to b y dx is equal to y0 plus yn plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus and so on yn minus 1, taking a odd number of values, plus 2 into y2 plus y4 plus yn minus 2, taking in even number of values. H by 3 y0 plus y6, the first value and the last value, plus 4 into Odd number of values are y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus 2 into even number of values are y2 plus y4 up to 6 equal parts only. So y2 plus y4. So y6 already here. Next 1 by 3. So substitute the values of y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. Okay, here first value and last value, even number of values and odd number of values. That means y2 plus y4. Okay, so those are y2 plus y4 means 1 plus 1. So see here 1 by 3 and 162 plus 128 plus 4, that is the final value 98. So here this is the answer of the integral value of the given function by using Simpson's 1/3 rule. And next finally Simpson's 3/8 rule. Here this is the formula. Integral a to b y dx is equal to 3h by 8 y0 plus yn plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus and so on yn minus 2 plus yn minus 1 plus 2 into y3 plus y6 plus and so on yn minus 3. These are the third multiples. Okay, and next 3h by 8 we can substitute the values of y0 to y6, y0 plus y6 first value and the last value plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 plus 2 into y3. That means third multiple value up to 6 there is 3 only. That means y3 only because y6 is here. So y0 plus y6. Third multiple 2 into y3. Next 3 by 8. Last first value and last value substitute here. Plus 3 into the middle values and y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 and plus y3 is 0 from this table. So y3 is 0. So substitute here. And after simplification we get the answer 99. Integral a to b y dx is equal to 99. This is the answer. That means this is the value of the, this is the integral value of the given function x power 4 minus 3 to 3 x power 4 dx by using Simpson's 3/8 rule. So this is the final answer. So from these three rules we get the answers. By trapezoidal rule is 115, Simpson's 1/3 rule is 98 and Simpson's 3/8 rule is 99. Okay, so by using these three rules we can find out any given function in between the limits. Okay, thank you.